I'm scared. It's just come out right now.
Lauren's real scared right about now. Song show, brother. What? Okay, one room at a time. One room at a time. Lauren's real scared. Lauren, shut up!
I'm scared.
I'm so scared right now. Okay.
So we need light in order to see.
Lauren, shut up. It's a freaking window!
No, dude, but...
Look, window, tree, window.
Honey, why the hell aren't you scared?
Because it's stupid to be scared. Can you shine it in there, please?
Yes, I can.
Okay, watch. Are you serious right now?
No, give me the effing flashlight. It's mine.
Oh, look at that roof. I bet there's friggin' bats in here.
Chaz, wait, I just need to have this. I need some control of the situation.
I bet there's bums in here.
Bums? I'm scared.
Oh, fuck, we don't have our pepper spray. Shit! Hold on.
Are you still recording?
Oh my god. Okay, I thought I lost my phone.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
You're gonna pepper spray. That is vital! That's vital!
We definitely... Okay, so we definitely need, like, a boy here. I'm gonna be calling the Ricksack.
Oh, you should.
Let's call the Ricksack. Ricksack? I'm gonna call him.
Keep it recording. Keep it recording.
Totally am.
I think pepper spray.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I just spilled my wallet.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Keep an eye on that house camera.
Keep a weather eye. Keep a weather eye.
On the right.
Gina is providing a lot of the light. So we're fixed.
I'm zooming in
He's
right
probably
now.
drunk by now.
It's okay. Call him in. Let's pretend like we're really scared.
Okay, I have to get in character.
Oh my god.
He hung
up. Bitch.
Okay, thanks for carrying in case we were really in trouble.
Alright.
Okay.
So much fun.
Do your face. Hold on.
Fucking shining it in my eye.
I know, so
Stop
the camera
it.
can see you.
Okay, can I do it?
Yeah.
You suck.
Do it on and off.
No.
Like this, watch.
Okay. No, that's stupid. Just keep it on.
Stop it!
Just do Blair Witch. No, you have to. Oh my god. Where's the scary house, Maria? Go put your head over there.
Help us.
Help us. So that's the house. Lauren's real scared right now. Well, wait, hold on.
Dude, I was shining light on the window here, and I, like, expected his face to, like, pop out and, like, hiss at me or something.